So 2008 Buick Lacrosse was throwing a misfire, getting up around like 30, 40 mile an hour. Had like 12 codes on the thing, between like map sensor, throttle body, O2 sensors, all kinds of shit just popped up. I had 12 codes. And then I had a 305 cylinder 5 misfire code come on, and I was like, well, all this shit going on. I said, where do I begin? So I cleaned the mass airflow, cleaned the throttle body out, was still doing it. Then I said, well, let me just check, did the easiest, simplest first. Then I was like, well, let me check for sparks. So I popped the ignition coil off, and I was getting sparks. So I'm like, well, it's not the coil, it's not the wire. I'm getting spark through there. And then I was like, well, the only thing left, let me check the spark plug, And I'm like, well, hopefully it's not a throttle body sensor or anything like that. I was like, I checked all that. Maybe it's an O2 sensor. But I popped the spark plug off, and this is what I came up with. Hairline crack going through the thing, causing it to miss at high throttle. And popped a new one in there, and she's purring like a kitten again. So if you're having any misfire codes, check your spark plug. It's an AC Delco factory plug. And I just put these in like 3 months ago, or 4 months. When I bought the car, like between 4 and 6 months ago, I bought the car and put these brand new plugs in. It was at 89,000 miles, so we put new plugs in. And this is one of the brand new ones. So check your plugs even after you changed them. If you get a misfire, it could be a defect in them. I don't know what caused it to crack, if it was heat or what, but if it cracked, then it was misfiring. So another one down the drain. Get back at them.